Run hundreds of HTS classifications in one go, fast, consistent, and audit-ready with Trade Insight AI. Bulk mode saves hours by processing many items at once, keeps results consistent across your catalog, and provides a clean history you can review or rerun. To get started, prepare your spreadsheet. Accepted formats are Excel or CSV, up to 10 megabytes and 1,000 rows. The first row must be headers. Every header should be unique and non-blank, and your file must include at least one data row. Empty rows are fine. We'll skip them automatically. Product descriptions can be up to 3,000 characters. For best results, remove any totals or notes below the data. Keep formatting consistent and unmerge any merged cells. Next, upload your file. Drag and drop or select it from your computer, then continue. Now map your columns. For product description, select the column that holds your item text. You'll see a preview so you can confirm the match. If you use multiple description columns, you can add more. When ready, click Continue, review the confirmation, and classify. We'll lock the mapping and process your file. As results come in, open any product to view classification details and history. You can edit inputs and reclassify if needed.